unlocking innovation through robotics education. Welcome to our channel, J Robotics. As we embark on our Burglar alarm project, let's acquaint ourselves with the essential components that will form the backbone of our security system. Meet the Arduino, the orchestrator of our operations. Alongside the passive infrared, PIR motion sensor, an LED, a buzzer, and the trusty jumper wires that will weave them together. To ensure our Burglar alarm system operates seamlessly, let's establish the connections with precision. First in line is the buzzer, a critical element in alerting us. Connect its VCC to the 5V power source and its GND to the ground. The signal pin finds its home in digital pin 8 on the Arduino. Next, the PIR motion sensor takes the stage. Provide power by connecting its VCC to 5V and ground it by linking GND. Its signal pin securely interfaces with digital pin 3. Finally, the LED, our visual indicator, connects to digital pin 13 with no need for additional power and ground as it draws from the Arduino directly. This meticulous arrangement ensures that our components work in unison, ready to defend. Before we upload the code, ensure you've selected the correct board and port. Go to Tools in the Arduino IDE, choose your board, for example, Arduino Uno, and select the port your Arduino is connected to. Now you can upload the provided code. Now let's witness the synergy of our Burglar alarm system in action. As the code runs, the vigilant PIR sensor scans for motion. When triggered, the LED brightly illuminates and the buzzer emits a warning sound, creating a dual-layered alert system. This coordinated response acts as a formidable deterrent against potential intruders. When tranquility returns and the PIR sensor detects no motion, both the LED and the buzzer gracefully stand down. Through this orchestrated hardware output, our Burglar alarm system transforms into a watchful guardian, equipped to safeguard our surroundings.